Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Thread notifications not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, check iPhone notification settings or Threads. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Now search for Threads at the top and then tap on Notifications. Make sure Allow Notification is turned on and enable lock screen banners and sounds so you don't miss anything. Next, check notifications inside the Threads app. Open the Threads app, go to Settings and then tap on Notifications and make sure notification for posts, messages and replies are all. Next, turn off focus or do not disturb mode. Swipe up down from the top right corner of your screen to open control center. Focus or do not disturb is on, turn it off. This mode can block notifications. Next, update the Threads app. Open the App Store on your phone, tap on profile at the top right corner and search for Thread and install any available updates. Updates often fixes problems. If notification still won't work, log out and log back into Thread. This refresh your account connection and can solve notifications issue. And that's it. This step should fix Thread notifications not working on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.